I'm Bill.
And I'm Angela.
And this is Finest Travel Beat with Angela and Bill. And we are on the Sun Princess. This is cabin 12514. Can give you a little walk through the room, show you what it looks like. This is a standard balcony, and we hope you enjoy the video. This is room 12514. This is a little different where the doors don't open automatically like some of the other princess ships. You actually have to touch your medallion to it, which is on your wrist. At the end of the video, I'll tell you something really interesting about the medallions and how they came to be. All right, Angela, show us around.
Let's start from here.
Okay.
All right. We have the drawer with the hairdryer. It looks like a nice hairdryer, actually.
Okay.
We have a little cooler refrigerator.
Yeah, these things don't get very cold, but there's a little trick about that too. We'll tell you at the end.
Nice size couch.
Yep. The American outlet, a couple of American outlets, European outlet, and USB-A and USB-C chargers, which are really nice. As a brand new ship has it. A couple of place to hold the glasses. Nice mirror.
Mirror. And we got some drawers here. Got one here. And we got one here. Got a garbage over here.
Yep. Hit that button by the European outlet there. I'm just curious about something.
Right here?
Yeah. Oh. And we have light. So that button there gives you a little light. Not a terrible little chair here.
No.
Small table.
And then
sitting area. I don't know whether this folds out or not. You'd have to take a look at the individual deck plans. It may. I'm not 100% sure.
It's nice because both sides have outlets.
Yeah,
and
outlets.
USBs.
USB-A and USB-C and American outlets, it looks like. Little reading lights that flip out too, which are nice.
Little side drawer.
Now these beds can be configured as queen like this, or they could be split into two double beds, and then the nightstands go kind of in the middle of you. Nice big TV. This we have to do our mustard drill and all that yet.
Nice full-size mirror.
Okay.
The room is a little bit narrow, though.
Yeah, a little narrower than some of the other ships we've been on.
Okay,
so far, so good.
This is different for Princess. The closet has doors on it.
Yes.
And you got some shelves.
Yeah, it's definitely not good for two people. But there's lots of hangers.
Looks like they give you a little tote bag, too.
There are some shelves, which is nice.
And then on this side we have some drawers. Nice deep drawers. Oh yeah, nice and deep. And then above here you got more shelves and you got the safe. Safe is small.
No, yeah, you're not going to fit a laptop in there, but you can fit your major valuables and stuff. Not a problem. And there's another closet over here.
This is where the life jackets are.
Folds in a weird way. You get the life jackets. I guess you could, I don't know where you'd store there, but it's...
I don't think the suitcase would fit.
No, and it kind of folds, like I said, it kind of folds in a weird way, but... And,
got two hooks.
Yep.
The thermostat.
Thermostat. This is supposed to be like a Wi-Fi router. And here's the bathroom.
Here's the bathroom. This is nice. The shower is nice.
The shower door rather than the...
Yes, the little capsule or shower curtain. Nice size.
Yeah, yeah. It's got the alarm up there.
Shut up.
That's actually clothes hanging. You can hang your clothes or wet bathing suits in here. Nice and bright.
Yes.
Decent size.
Yeah, decent size.
Some shelving up there for stuff.
Down here you can put some stuff.
Yeah.
Your usual 2 hang.
Yep. 2 hooks in there for robes or whatever.
And then the best for last.
Always the best for last.
The balcony.
Oh, nice wide balcony.
Yeah, very nice size.
Yeah, very nice size. Some balconies are a little narrow, but this is plenty of chair for the table. A couple of chairs, definitely very comfortable. I said the room feels a little narrow, but not terrible. Let me show you a little bit of Fort Lauderdale here. So, paddle wheel tour. The celebrity reflection, the Viking ship is in. But overall, not bad. Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour. We'll give you our thoughts on it, but first we'd like to ask you to
subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything.
And hit this video, hit the like button if you've gotten value out of it. Let us know what you think of our videos, and if you've been on the Sun Princess or other Princess cruises, put that in the comments below as well. I promised to tell them a little secret about magic. The
magic?
The medallions.
Oh, you almost gave it away.
Yeah, I kind of gave it away there. The medallions, which is that little disc that you use for Princess, it's almost like an Apple AirTag. It's location, there's a lot of things you can do with it. I believe there's a video up on the channel on the whole thing. But the secret there is the president of Princess Cruise Lines is a gentleman named John Paget. When John Paget worked for Disney, he was the person that invented the Magic Band. So when he came over to Princess, that was one of the things he kind of brought over. Works great on some things, others could use a little bit of work. Again, if I don't have a video up, I got to check. If not, I got to do a whole video on that. And then the other trick is with the refrigerators, they don't get cold. One of the things we do is we ask for a bucket of ice, keep that in there, and it'll keep all the drinks in there nice and cold, because it's really more of a cooler than a refrigerator. If you have medical supplies, you can request that separately. So what are your thoughts on it so far?
So far, so nice, but I want to go check everything out.
Yeah, we're gonna check out the rest of the ship. So we'll catch you next time, and
come join us on our next adventure.
bye bye, everybody.